Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kelvin and this is a SoyGreen review video. I have been consuming SoyGreen for my breakfast and replacing some of my meals whenever I'm hungry, so far for more than 2 years. Now SoyGreen is a complete meal replacement and I take it daily because I find it convenient for me to get my essential nutrients like fiber, which many of us are lack of in today's society. SoyGreen consists of soy, psyllium husk and a variety of vegetables. To be specific, 10 of it. I will post a picture at the end of the video, so do watch my handsome face to the end. SoyGreen is suitable for everyone and my whole family is consuming it. Now let us admire the sound of me stirring SoyGreen. Cheers to everyone! Let me take a sip first. Well, SoyGreen has two tastes, one cappuccino and the other one is banana caramel. It tastes a little sweet and yummy, so do try it out. That's all for today. If you have any questions, you can always contact me. Thank you all for watching and I'll see you in the next video.